Torrential slide value equivalent to 299.94 rands a coin. The present cost range, 285.66 303.67. The earlier day close, 291.78. The change was plus 8.16, plus 2.80%. Backwards rate, ZAR to AVAX. Torrential slide cost expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month. Torrential slide cost expectation on Monday. Walk, 20, cost 296 rands, high 317, low 275. Torrential slide conjecture on Tuesday. Walk, 21, cost 273 rands, high 292, low 254. Torrential slide cost expectation on Wednesday. Walk, 22, cost 283 rands, high 303, low 263. Torrential slide conjecture on Thursday. Walk, 23, cost 285 rands, high 305, low 265. And multi-week torrential slide cost expectation on Friday. Walk, 24, cost 315 rands, high 337, low 293. Torrential slide conjecture on Monday. Walk, 27, cost 307 rands, high 328, low 286. Torrential slide cost expectation on Tuesday. Walk, 28, cost 319 rands, high 341, low 297. Torrential slide conjecture on Wednesday. Walk, 29, cost 307 rands, high 328, low 286. Torrential slide cost expectation on Thursday. Walk, 30, cost 289 rands, high 309, low 269. In about 14 days torrential slide conjecture on Friday. Walk, 31, cost 283 rands, high 303, low 263. Torrential slide cost expectation on Monday. April, 3, cost 291 rands, high 311, low 271. Torrential slide conjecture on Tuesday. April, 4, cost 286 rands, high 306, low 266. Torrential slide cost expectation on Wednesday. April, 5, cost 275 rands, high 294, low 256. Torrential slide conjecture on Thursday. April, 6, cost 266 rands, high 285, low 247. And 3 weeks torrential slide cost expectation on Friday. April, 7, cost 264 rands, high 282, low 246. Torrential slide conjecture on Monday. April, 10, cost 273 rands, high 292, low 254. Torrential slide cost expectation on Tuesday. April, 11, cost 261 rands, high 279, low 243. Torrential slide estimate on Wednesday. April, 12, cost 256 rands, high 274, low 238. Torrential slide cost forecast on Thursday. April, 13, cost 264 rands, high 282, low 246. In about a month torrential slide estimate on Friday. April, 14, cost 256 rands, high 274, low 238. Torrential slide cost forecast on Monday. April, 17, cost 239 rands, high 256, low 222. Torrential slide estimate on Tuesday. April, 18, cost 235 rands, high 251, low 219. Torrential slide value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027. Avalanche cost expectation for Walk 2023. First and foremost cost at 313 rands. Exorbitant cost 341, while low cost 254. Found the middle value of cost 298. Torrential slide cost estimate toward the month's end 283. Change for spring 9.6%. Torrential slide estimate for April 2023. First and foremost cost at 283 rands. Exorbitant cost 311, while low cost 208. Found the middle value of cost 269. Torrential slide cost conjecture toward the month's end 274. Change for April 3.2%. Torrential slide cost expectation for May 2023. In the first place cost at 274 rands. Excessive cost 274, while low cost 233. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 258. Torrential slide cost figure toward the month's end 250. Change for May 8.8%. Torrential slide figure for June 2023. Before all else cost at 250 rands. Excessive cost 310, while low cost 250. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 275. Torrential slide cost figure toward the month's end 290. Change for June 16.0%. Torrential slide cost expectation for July 2023. Before all else cost at 290 rands. Excessive cost 290, while low cost 227. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 263. Torrential slide cost figure toward the month's end 244. Change for July 15.9%. Torrential slide figure for August 2023. Before all else cost at 244 rands. Excessive cost 244, while low cost 191. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 221. Torrential slide cost figure toward the month's end 205. Change for August 16.0%. Torrential slide cost expectation for September 2023. Before all else cost at 205 rands. Excessive cost 248, while low cost 205. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 223. Torrential slide cost figure toward the month's end 232. Change for September 13.2%. Torrential slide figure for October 2023. Initially cost at 232 rands. Excessive cost 236, while low cost 206. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 224. Torrential slide cost figure toward the month's end 221. Change for October 4.7%. Torrential slide cost expectation for November 2023. Initially cost at 221 rands. Excessive cost 221, while low cost 173. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 200. Torrential slide cost figure toward the month's end 186. Change for November 15.8%. Torrential slide figure for December 2023. Initially cost at 186 rands. Excessive cost 231, while low cost 186. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 205. Torrential slide cost figure toward the month's end 216. Change for December 16.1%. Torrential slide cost expectation for January 2024. Initially cost at 216 rands. Excessive cost 216, while low cost 168. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 195. Torrential slide cost conjecture toward the month's end 181. Change for January 16.2%. Torrential slide conjecture for February 2024. At the outset cost at 181 rands. Excessive cost 181, while low cost 141. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 164. Torrential slide cost conjecture toward the month's end 152. Change for February 16.0%. Torrential slide cost expectation for WAC 2024. At the outset cost at 152 rands. Excessive cost 152, while low cost 119. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 138. Torrential slide cost conjecture toward the month's end 128. Change for spring 15.8%. ZAR to AVAX conversion scale equivalent to 0.3334 coins per 100 rands. The present reach 0.3293 minus 0.3501. The earlier days nearby